Ever felt that familiar knot of dread in your stomach as tax season approaches, especially when you've been dabbling in the wild, exciting world of crypto? You're not alone. Many Canadians are navigating the relatively new and often confusing landscape of cryptocurrency taxation. And while the idea of reporting your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin gains to the Canada Revenue Agency might seem like a Herculean task, what if I told you that with a tool like Wealthsimple Tax, it doesn't have to be? For years, Wealthsimple has been a go-to for many Canadians looking for simplified investing and tax filing. Their free, user-friendly platform, Wealthsimple Tax, formerly Simple Tax, has streamlined the process for millions. But as the crypto market exploded, a new question arose: how well does Wealthsimple Tax handle the intricacies of digital asset gains? Can it truly simplify something as complex as crypto taxes? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes, with a few key considerations. Before we dive into the how-to, let's set the stage. Why is reporting crypto gains so important, and what exactly are we talking about when we say crypto gains in the eyes of the CRA? In Canada, the CRA generally treats cryptocurrency as a commodity, similar to property or stocks. This means that when you sell, trade, or otherwise dispose of your crypto, any profit you make is typically subject to tax. The crucial distinction here is whether your crypto activity is considered capital gains or business income. For most individual investors and hobbyists, your crypto profits will fall under capital gains. This is good news because in Canada, only 50% of your capital gains are taxable. So, if you bought a cryptocurrency for $1,000 and sold it for $2,000, your capital gain is $1,000, but only $500 of that is added to your taxable income. This $500 is then taxed at your marginal income tax rate. However, if you're engaging in frequent, high-volume trades, acting in a business-like manner, think day trading, running a crypto mining operation, or accepting crypto as payment for goods/services, the CRA might classify your activity as business income. In this scenario, 100% of your net profits are taxable. It's a significant difference, and if you're unsure which category you fall into, it's always wise to consult a tax professional. For the purpose of this video, we'll primarily focus on capital gains, as that's what most individual Wealthsimple crypto users will be dealing with. Now, let's talk about the bedrock of accurate crypto tax reporting, record keeping. The CRA expects you to have meticulous records of all your cryptocurrency transactions. This includes the date of each transaction, buy, sell, trade, spend, gift, the type of cryptocurrency involved, the number of units bought or sold, the price per unit in Canadian dollars at the time of the transaction, any associated fees, the fair market value of any goods or services received if you used crypto to pay. Sounds like a lot, right? This is where Wealthsimple Tax, with its integrated features and partnerships, truly shines. So, how do you actually file your crypto gains in Wealthsimple Tax? Let's break it down step by step. The first, and often easiest, method is to leverage Wealthsimple's direct import capabilities. If you use Wealthsimple Crypto for your cryptocurrency investments, the process is incredibly straightforward. Wealthsimple generates a realized gains and losses report for your crypto account. This document meticulously breaks down your adjusted cost base, ACB, and proceeds of disposition, which are the two key figures you need for capital gains reporting. To access this report, log into your Wealthsimple account either through the mobile app or web. Navigate to your profile icon, usually top right. Go to Settings, the gear icon. Select Accounts. Choose your crypto account. Scroll down and tap Tax Documents. Look for the Crypto Realized Gain Loss Report. Once you have this report, you can directly import this information into Wealthsimple Tax. When you're building your return in Wealthsimple Tax, there will be a section specifically for importing crypto gains and losses, including an option for Wealthsimple's own crypto data. This is typically found under the Autofill Your Returns section or by searching for crypto or capital gains. Follow the prompts, and Wealthsimple Tax will automatically populate the relevant fields on your Schedule 3, which is the form used to report capital gains and losses to the CRA. But what if you trade on other exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Crypto.com? This is where Wealthsimple Tax's integration with crypto tax software like Coinly becomes incredibly powerful. Wealthsimple has partnered with Coinly to streamline the import process for transactions from over 300 external exchanges and wallets. This feature can be a lifesaver, as manually tracking hundreds or thousands of crypto transactions is a nightmare. Here's how the Coinly integration typically works within Wealthsimple Tax. Start your Wealthsimple Tax return, log in and either start a new return or select your current one. Navigate to the Crypto section, look for a section like Crypto with other exchanges or Import Gains and Losses within the Autofill Your Return area. Initiate the import, click on the Import option. You'll likely be prompted to agree to terms and conditions related to data sharing with Coinly. Connect or sign into Coinly. If you already have a Coinly account, you can sign in directly. If not, Wealthsimple Tax will guide you through setting up a Coinly account. For users with under 500 crypto transactions, this automated reporting is typically free. If you have more than 500 transactions, Coinly might have a payment option to continue with the automated reporting. Sync your exchanges. Within Coinly, you'll connect your various crypto exchanges and wallets using API keys or by uploading CSV transaction history files. Coinly then crunches all your data, calculates your capital gains and losses, or business income, if applicable, and determines your adjusted cost base, ACB, for all your crypto assets in accordance with Canadian tax rules. Remember, Canada uses the average cost method for ACB, not FIFO or LIFO, so ensure your tracking tool is set up correctly for this. Transfer data to Wealthsimple Tax. Once Coinly has processed your transactions and generated your tax report, you'll be able to send this information directly to Wealthsimple Tax. This will automatically populate the relevant sections of your tax return, saving you immense time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Even with these powerful import features, it's always a good idea to review the generated reports. Cross-reference them with your own records if you've been meticulously tracking everything. While the automated tools are designed for accuracy, understanding the numbers helps you feel confident in your filing. What if you prefer a more manual approach, or if your specific exchange isn't supported by the automatic import? Wealthsimple Tax still provides the flexibility to manually enter your crypto gains and losses. This will require you to have your own meticulously calculated adjusted cost base, ACB, and proceeds of disposition for each disposition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.